What's up, guys? Welcome back to Moto Therapy. If you're new here, smash that like button and subscribe for new videos every week. Today's video is brought to you by our channel sponsor, Exado, the social marketplace built for car, truck, and bike lovers to buy, sell, and bid on rides and parts. Launching August 1st. Join the waitlist at the first link in our description.
That big boy up, I see.
Jag tror jag vet vad det här handlar om.
Har du körkort med dig?
Ja, i väskan.
Får jag se det?
F för...
Ja, visst.
Yes.
Yoink!
Om du ska komma lite fortare framåt trafiken så får du inte använda det här körkortet.
Jag visste det var dumt när jag gjorde det.
Ja.
Vackert väder, du vet.
Det är ju vackert väder.
Ja, man blir så sugen. Men jag förstår till 100%.
Ja. Du får inga böter.
Vad sa du?
Du får inga böter.
Tack så mycket.
Men håll dig i
Jag ska. Inget mer sånt där dumt.
Det låter bra.
Tack. Jag uppskattar det jättemycket.
Ja.
Ha det bra.
Ha en trevlig sommar nu på 2 hjul.
Ja, det är samma.
Tackar.
Oh my God! Talk about being blessed. He was so cool about it. Oh my God. I know you didn't see in the video, so let me explain what happened. I was riding on, what is it called? Where if you have an emergency, you usually...
stuff squared away.
Yeah,
This will stop happening.
I thought we did, honestly, because I had blinkers.
Yeah, 49cc is one thing. I'm fine. Like, that's not an issue. I mean, I'm telling you right now, you are skirting the line with the type of bike you're running on the road.
Yeah.
Regulations are a little odd. There's a lot of things that go into play, but you got to have, if you want it on the road, it needs to be road worthy.
Right.
So please take your bike home. You've already been issued your infraction. Just take it home, put some blinkers on it, go the right avenue. I know you got street tires, so you're already there. You're like 99.9% of the way there.
Yeah.
You just need blinkers.
Yeah.
All right. Same thing for him. Make sure he gets blinkers.
Yeah. Got you.
All right.
Thank you, man.
Good luck.
Yeah. That was pretty insane. We got pulled over here, and we're on 50cc scooters. It's pretty crazy. They really just fucking arrested my boy. What the fuck? This is ridiculous.
Fuck. Step off the bike.
Okay. Can I?
Step off the bike.
I have to put in. I have to put it down.
Step off now.
Okay. I'm gonna push the brake.
Pull off, I'm fucking throwing you off.
I'm not pulling off, dude.
Put in park.
Okay.
I swear to God, keep going off.
Dude, why would I pull off? I didn't see you behind me, man. Look, I'm normal, bro.
Step off the bike.
Okay, do you want me to turn off?
Step off the bike.
Yes, sir. Okay. Hey.
Step off, man. Step back here.
Okay.
How come we going 115 miles an hour?
I'm sorry.
Sorry?
I am.
How come we waited till this far to stop?
I didn't see you behind me.
You didn't?
I did not.
You hit your brakes as I come out.
I hit my brakes to tell you that I saw you. I did. I clicked my brakes when I saw you break your lights over on the intersection to tell you that I saw you.
So you continue to come in across state lines.
I didn't think you were gonna.
You didn't think I was gonna follow you?
No, I did not. 100%.
So you ran across state lines thinking I wasn't going to come get you, right?
No, I was gonna keep going. I was gonna slow down. I'm just trying to get home. I live in St. Augustine. I got you. Can I take off my gloves?
Yep.
Can I put them on the top of your car?
Yep.
Okay.
Take off my backpack. Okay. I like it.
Smoking a bit. I can kind of smell it. Whoa! What is all this? Hey, thanks, white car. Okay, we gotta be careful. This is weird. I've never seen traffic like this before. Maybe they like shut down the on-ramp or something. Thank you, appreciate it. Right by the highway patrol. See, they don't care. Oh, look, this guy's got a bike in the back. Ooh, that thing is freaking dope. That thing was fancy. Oh, this guy's on the line. Oh, they shut one lane down, that's why. Oh, what are they doing? What the heck? Are they building something right there? They have to be. That was just like a big open area. Wow, they even got a little water pool, or a temporary little pond going. Yeah, all of these things in the middle, they didn't used to be here. You used to be able to pass right here. But a lot of people were causing accidents because, you know, people are dumb. And so, yeah, they're finally like, screw it, put the medians in. No one's allowed to pass anymore. Had his phone in his hand. Okay, I think that was where I was looking for. So let me pull over somewhere. This will work. I just need to pull over and put the address in my phone and see if it's the right one. Left Cottonwood, right Nason. I knew that wasn't the right one. There's a really, really big building out here I'm looking for. Okay, so left Cottonwood. Oh, there's a school right here. We should probably slow down. With the kids are probably like, whoa! Oh man, I think this is Nason right here. It looks familiar. Yeah, I think I can even see the building way over there. Yep.
Out of there. Take like your next right or whatever, but he's stuck behind two of us. Just take a right up there. I'm gonna also take a right, cause he's gonna fucking take a right for sure. He's just following me. Just get to the house. I'm leading him the opposite way. Fuck, I'm getting pulled over. No, I wouldn't do that.
Yeah. Hey, the reason I stopped you, well, there's a couple reasons.
Yeah.
First reason, the reason why you got pulled over is because you stopped a little bit on the other side of the limit line at the stop sign back there.
Okay.
That's not a big deal.
Gotcha.
That's the reason I'm stopping you. The other reason, we've been getting a shitload of calls about you and your buddy at the park doing wheelies and stuff.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I'm not concerned about it. It's all good. You got a fucking sweet brand new bike.
Thanks. Yeah.
It's probably a lot of fun to ride. I was really hoping to catch up to your buddy. I don't know where he went, but...
Right.
Just... Can you guys knock that shit off? Because we get calls about you all the time.
Gotcha.
I have your license plate. I know where you live.
Yeah.
So I know how to find you. Do you have a M1?
Yeah.
Okay. Can I see your license real quick?
Yeah, it's in my backpack.
And we just don't like it because people call and they're like, oh, there's these kids are here like every weekend doing wheelies and shit in the park and we're tired of it. And I'm like,
okay.
We're not really allowed to do that, but you know, every time we go out there, you guys are gone.
Okay.
It's a blue and yellow motorcycle, and lo and behold, I see a blue and yellow motorcycle.
Right.
So it's not the crime of the century. It's just we don't want to get.
No, I understand.
Yeah.
There's that.
Thank you.
Oh, is it covered in mud?
You're all mudded up at the back.
Oh man, I'm like literally going to the car wash right there.
Yeah, no problem. No problem. You got your driver's license and ownership?
Yeah, you want to do everything? That's cool.
May as well. We got you here. What is it, 7? 5?
Yeah, that's it.
I'll take it there.
Insurance, registration.
Everything's all good there, buddy?
Yeah, it's in my bag.
Is it all there?
No,
I'll
grab it for you.
Yeah, if you don't mind seeing it. Yeah. Where you coming from today?
The trail.
Off-roading?
The trails, yeah.
Trails, man? Yeah, okay.
No,
We just wanted to make sure that you're all legit there. Like I said, we just couldn't see it, so.
I've never been pulled over before, and then I
no?
got last night they got me, and then you guys got me again today.
Oh, what did they pull you over for yesterday?
My light was out.
Oh.
But yeah, I'm going to wash it, and I'm going to pick up a brand new one right now.
One of those days, eh? Fair enough. When it rains, it pours. You still on?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, just up the street there.
Excellent.
You take the helmet off too, man?
Yeah, sure.
Thanks, buddy.
Not a problem.
You probably don't have quite the long hair anymore.
No, I know. It's been a while.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, sure. All right, we'll be right with you there, buddy.
Not a problem.
And that's a wrap on this one. If you enjoyed today's video, smash that like button, hit subscribe so you never miss a daily drop, and if you want to rep the moto lifestyle, head over to mototherapy.shop and cop some fire merch to support us. We appreciate every single one of you. And until next time.